Kpspecialops here to do the unboxing of my order from Airsoft This is the mystery gun that Ian was talking about. It is a pistol. You guys knew that, so hopefully you guessed. And I'm going to unbox it for you. I ordered 3 things from their website and got here in about a week from California. So, alright. First thing is the KWC fully automatic, full metal P229 Taurus. This was a $120 gun, but they have the price match guarantee, and they got it for $82. Next, I have 2,000.20 gram BBs. These are really nice. They're golden ball BBs. I'm going to use them in my pistol. And then last is D-Boy's sling swivel kind of thing for a 1-point sling on your M4. And then last, just got an order form, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I will be doing a review on this gun and shooting tests like we always do. But other than that, thanks for watching. This is Kpspecialops signing off. Is it cool, man?